Hello viewers, welcome back. So today I am releasing one more interesting video. So the video is about how to create 3D lollipop design in Adobe Illustrator. So let's go.
Stranded in the open, dried out tears of sorrow, lacking all emotion, staring down the barrel, waiting for the final gates to open to a new tomorrow. Moving with the motion, following the light that sets me
Yes viewers, this is my tutorial. If you enjoyed or if you are new in my YouTube channel, you have to subscribe my channel and press notification button, then you will receive my new tutorials. So this is for today. See you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.